Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW X3 with a dead key fob. First, locate the small emergency key hidden inside your key fob. This is usually released by a small button or lever. Once you have the emergency key, use it to manually unlock the driver's side door. This bypasses the electronic locking system when the fob battery is dead. After unlocking the door, get into your BMW X3. You'll need to place the dead key fob in a specific location for the car to recognize it. Look for a small indentation or key symbol, often near the steering column or on the right side of the steering wheel. This area contains an inductive coil that can read the fob's chip even without battery power. With the key fob correctly placed in its designated spot, you are now ready to start the engine. Ensure your foot is firmly pressing down on the brake pedal. Then, simply press the start/stop button as you normally would. The car's system should now recognize the key fob and allow the engine to ignite, getting you back on the road. Once your BMW X3 is running, remember to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as possible. It's a good idea to keep a spare battery, perhaps a CR2032 or CR2450, in your glove compartment for future emergencies. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific details and additional troubleshooting tips for your model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.